Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I share with you how to prepare peppered goat meat. Exactly what you see on the screen. Peppered goat meat for your guests. I'll be making this from the scratch. So keep watching as I show you goat meat preferable for this. First, I need 1 kilo of goat meat. Everyone, I'll be using male goat meat. Female goat meat is hard to cook. Male goat meat is easy to cook and it's very yummy for this. So next thing I do is to cut them into smaller size. Cut according to your desirable size, everyone. But for this, I'll be cutting them small, just like what you see on the screen. So after cutting, next I will transfer into a clean pot. Everyone, you see how fresh this goat meat look. So after transferring it into a clean pan, the next thing I will do is to add 1 to 3 tablespoons of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, half teaspoon of thyme and parsley, then my blended mixture: onions, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh garlic and ginger. And then I'll add 2 bay leaf and my freshly chopped onions. And then next I will take a turning stick and stir to combine, everyone. After that, I will allow this to simmer on a medium flame for 10 minutes. While that is aside, here is our scotch bonnet pepper, everyone. I'll be using scotch bonnet pepper. You could use any pepper according to your taste. Peppered goat meat is supposed to be spicy. And next I'll be using 4 bulbs of onions. So here I cut them into desirable size suitable for my blender. Keep watching and don't go away. We are making peppered goat meat. So after cutting, I will blend off camera. Please blend it rough, not too smooth, not too rough. Exactly what you see on the screen. So let's set that aside and check our goat meat after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you notice that the goat meat moistured. I will allow it to cook for 30 minutes again. After 30 minutes, the goat meat is properly cooked because we dice them into smaller sizes. So I will be transferring this into a strainer. All the quantities of ingredients used in this recipe will be at the description box down below. Keep watching because we are making simple peppered goat meat for your guests, for your relaxation, and just for your enjoyment, everyone. So after making this, I will set it aside and in a clean pot add a bit of vegetable oil of your choice. It could be coconut oil, and add already chopped onions, and then add my blended onions and scotch bonnet pepper, and then add half teaspoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of salt. It does not need more spice, and then cover for 5 minutes on a medium flame. And next I will begin to stir this. We're going to stir this until it is properly dry. It is peppered goat meat. This very peppered goat meat I'm making supposed to dry such that the scotch bonnet pepper will enter your your goat meat very well. So while I stir this to dry, I grill the goat meat off camera. You could fry, you could add it up like that. So after the frying the pepper for 15 good minutes, the next thing I do is to add my grilled goat meat bit by bit and mix to combine. Mix until it blends properly with the pepper. The aroma of this is taking over the whole kitchen. Please, I hope you have your drink aside, your wine, your red wine, whatever you want this to go with. Set it aside. Allow it to be properly chilled, man. So after mixing to combine, I will allow this to cook on a low flame for 5 to 15 minutes. Doing this allow the goat meat to absorb all the pepper. This is very spicy and yummy. It goes well with your red wine, chilled drink, any drink of your choice. So next I will garnish with some cabbage, white onions, cucumber. You garnish yours with any vegetable of your choice and cover for just a minute and then stir to combine. And our goat meat is ready, everyone. Let me know at the comment section what you like about this recipe, prepared goat meat, and what did you take it with. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and